Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Matthew Conger and this is The Small Chef 11. So today we're going to be making a taco skillet dinner and it's very good, very simple to do, so let's get this started. Alright guys, what you need for this is 1 pound ground beef, 2 cups of macaroni, I have 7 ounces of diced tomatoes, 7 ounces of crushed tomatoes, 2 cups of cheddar cheese, half a packet of taco seasoning, salt, and pepper. So let's get this going. Alright guys, so we're going to add our ground beef right now. Now we want to season our beef right about now because it gets it nice and seasoned. So we want to season it with some salt and pepper, definitely. Now that the beef is seasoned, we can continue cooking it. Alright guys, so now when you're cooking your beef, you don't want to cook it till it's well done. You just want to cook it enough so it's par cooked. So par cooked means it's halfway done. And this beef is basically halfway done. And now we're going to add our tomato sauce to it, or today's tomatoes and crushed tomatoes to it. And when you add something new to this dish, make sure you always season it with some salt and pepper. And we're going to add our taco seasoning right now as well. After you have added your seasonings to your crushed tomatoes, your diced tomato, and your beef, you need to bring it back up to a simmer. Now the reason you do this is so then you cook the beef the rest of the way. That's why you must bring it back up to a simmer. Alright guys, so now this has come back to a simmer. Now we can add our pasta to it, which is about 2 cups of macaroni. You may think that's not a lot, but it really is a lot of pasta. Now that we added the pasta, you're going to want this to simmer for quite some time, so make sure you turn down the heat. Now I'm going to turn it down to about 4 to 5 on my stove, so it'd be like a low-medium heat if you have the flames. And what you're trying to get here is you want the pasta to cook in here. Right now it's hard, so it needs to cook. And if it starts getting dry, you can either add chicken stock, beef stock, or vegetable stock, or water. I suggest beef stock. So I'm going to add a little bit to that so then it can cook the pasta. And you're just going to let this simmer until the pasta is cooked, which is going to be 8 to 10 minutes. And the beauty of this dish, it's all in one pan. Makes it so simple. And I'll show you what this looks like when it's done. Alright guys, so this pasta is ready. This is what it should look like. It tastes really, really good. Another thing you could add to this to make it taste a little better is onion powder and garlic powder. And I do about a tablespoon of both. And just to finish this off, we are going to add our cheese. So make sure to spread out in the pan a little bit. And you just pour your cheese on top. Sprinkle it around until you use up all your cheese. And then you just let it melt into the dish and it's ready. And when it's all melted, you just plate it into a bowl and it's done, guys. This is really easy and simple to do. I absolutely love it because it only uses 1 pan and 1 pan only, so it makes it nice and easy. Alright guys, that is how you make the taco skillet dinner. And if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're stopping in for the first time, please hit that subscribe button right there. And you guys have an awesome day.